Hello, good morning student. Today my video of class 8 mathematics. We will continue. We will start a new exercise here, exercise 6b. So look here student. Exercise 6b. In this exercise students, we have to learn the multiplication of binomials with binomials. And the instruction is given here. Find each of the following products. Okay student, that means we have to find here the product of given binomials. The very first question is here students, 5x plus 7 we have to multiply it with 3x plus 4. Okay students, 5x plus 7 we have to multiply with 3x plus 4. Now students, here 5x, first we have to multiply this 5x with both of the terms of this binomial. That means 3x plus 4. Then students, we have to multiply plus 7 with both of the terms of this binomial, 3x plus 4. Okay students, now we have to multiply here. We are multiplying here 5 3 is 15 and x into x. X square, 5 4 is 20x, 7 3 is 21x and 7 4 is 28. Okay. Now 15x square and 20x plus 21x, that is 41x plus 28. That is the product when we multiply 5x plus 7 with 3x plus 4. Again I am repeating students here. Firstly, I have to multiply 5x with both of the terms 3x plus 4. Then we have to multiply plus 7 with both of the terms 3x plus 4. Now 5 3 are 15 here and x into x, x square, and 5 4 are 20x. Again 7 3 are 21x and 7 4 are 28 here. Now we have to write here 15x square, and these are the both same terms, so we adding in here. The sum is 20x and 21x, 41x and 28. Look one more question students here. That with one of the binomial terms of binomial is positive, another one is negative. 2x plus 5 multiplied with 4x minus 3. Now again here, first we multiplied 2x plus with 4x minus 3 and plus 5 with 4x minus 3. Now 2 4 is 8 x square and 2 3 is minus 6x. We have to also multiply the signs here, plus minus minus. Now 5 4 is 20x and 5 3 is plus minus minus here, and 5 3 is 15. Now 8x square, and when we add plus 20x and minus 6x, we will get here plus 14x. Minus 15. Okay student, again I am repeating the terms here. First we multiply 2x with both of the terms, 4x minus 3. Then we have to multiply plus 5 with both of the terms. When we multiply 2x with 4x, we will get here 8x square and 2x 3 is minus 6x. Now plus 5 4 is 20x plus minus minus, and 5 3 is 15 here. 8x square, when we add 20x with minus 6x, we will get here 14x and minus 15. Okay students. Now look here, one more question in which both of the terms are negative. So student, this is third number question and this one is first. Now look here, question number 7. In this both of the terms are negative. 3m minus 4n we have to multiply with 2m minus 3n. Okay students, for that first we multiply 3m with both of the terms, 2m minus 3n, and then students we have to multiply minus 4n with both of the terms, 2m minus 3n. Now 3 2 is 6 and m into m, plus minus minus here, 3 3 is 9 mn, minus plus minus 4 2 is 8 mn, minus minus plus here, 4 3 is 12, and n into n, n square. Okay students, Now both are the negative terms and similar terms, so we have to add here 6m square, and when we add them here the sign of negative minus, and 9 in 8 17mn plus 12n square. Is it clear, students? Now 2 more questions we have to look here, question number 12 and 14, but before we have to clean it, students. Now look here, question number students 12. In question number 12 student, it is given here, we have to multiply x cube minus y cube with x square plus y square. Okay student? X cube minus y cube we have to multiply with x square plus y square. Now here students, x cube we will multiply with x square plus y square, and then minus y cube we have to multiply with both of the terms x square plus y square. Okay students, first we have to multiply this x cube with both of the terms x square and y square, and then minus y cube we have to multiply with again both of the terms x square and y square. Now continue here students, here we have to add students powers. So here the power of x is 3 and here the power of x is 2. So we can add the exponents here, 3 plus 2. Because we are multiplying the same base, then as per the law of exponent we have to add their exponents. Now x cube into y square, it is x cube y square. Okay students, now here it is y cube with x square. First we have to multiply the signs here, minus plus minus here, then we have to write x square and then y cube. Okay students, both having a different base, so we have to not add their exponents. Now again we have to multiply the signs here, minus plus minus here, and when we multiply y cube with y square, both having the same base, so we have to add their exponents. Okay students, now continue to solve it. X, and when we add the exponents 5, here we have to not add both of the terms because both are different terms. Here the exponent of x is cube, but here the exponent of x is 2. Here the exponent of y is 2 and here the exponent of y is 3. So they are different terms, so we have to not add here. So we are adding here x cube y square minus x square y cube, and again we have to add the exponents of y, that is y to the power 5. So students, when we multiply x cube minus y cube with x square plus y square, our product will be x to the power 5 plus x cube y square minus x square y cube and y to the power 5. One more question students we have to look here, question number 14. X to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 multiplied with x plus 1 by x. X to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4, we are going to multiply with x plus 1 by x. Again students, first we have to multiply here x to the power 4 with this x plus 1 by x, and then students 1 by x to the power 4 we have to multiply with x plus 1 by x. Okay students, now here both having the same base, so we have to add their exponents x to the power 4 plus 1. Now then we have to multiply x to the power 4 into 1 by x. Again 1 by x to the power 4 we have to multiply with x, and then 1 1s are 1, and x to the power 4 we have to multiply with x. Okay students, now we are solving it. Here x to the power 4 and 1, 5. Now here we have to reduce the terms. Here the exponent, as we know, law of exponents, if we are dividing the two exponents having the same base, then we have to subtract their exponents. Here the exponent of x is 1 and here 4, so when we subtract x from 1 here, that is x cube. Similarly here students, when you subtract the exponent of this x from this x, we have to subtract here 1. What is here? 1 by x cube. And here we have to add the exponents. Here the exponent of x is 4 and here the exponent of x is 1. So when we add, we will get here x to the power 5. So that is our product, students. X to the power 5 plus x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 1 by x to the power 5. So when we multiply x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 with x plus 1 by x, the product is here x to the power 5 plus x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 1 by x to the power 5. Hope students this video is very helpful to solve question number 1 to 14 of exercise 6b. The rest of the question we will solve in our next video. Thank you students.